Step 9 is we're going to change the welcome paragraph on our homepage. That's pretty self-explanatory, so if you have confidence that you can do that without a tutorial video, just go ahead and skip to the next one. But I'll go ahead and make one just for those that feel like they need it. We're going to go ahead and go back to our homepage, and we're going to click Edit. And we're going to let load. And expand the window here so that we can see a little bit more. So what we want to do is we want to change this paragraph and as well as our header. So I'm just going to say welcome to science, or I'll say 6th grade science with, or maybe I use Mr. B most of the time, but we'll say Mr. Bramer, but maybe use whatever your name is or your nickname. And then you're just going to change this paragraph to be a simple welcome message. I'm not going to type a whole thing, welcome to our course. We're really glad you're here. Can't spell, you're here. This year we will learn, and then whatever your paragraph is, and then you will hit save. Just a real quick though, if it's getting long, it's okay to split it into multiple paragraphs, even though they're not grammatically correct. All these should really be in one paragraph. But when you're reading something on the internet, having space is really, really helpful for being able to track that information. And I'll repeat this in some other videos. So be okay with just hitting enter and having that extra space between big chunks of text, even if it isn't perfectly grammatically correct. But anyways, we'll hit save, and there's our welcome paragraph. In the next video, we'll look at some tips on how you should upload your video. Okay.